In this presentation, I'm going to be showing you how being efficient can give you a $50,000 a year raise. I'm one of the coaches inside of the Six Figure Barber mentorship community, and in my third year of being a licensed barber, I made over $200,000 cutting hair behind the chair, and I just want to help you guys understand how being efficient can help you get there. What does efficient even mean in the first place? Because a lot of times we think that being efficient is really just rushing our clients out of the chair, putting out low quality haircuts, and not really doing what we set out to do with the passion that we have for our career. Really, if you understand what efficient means, the actual definition is the means to produce the desired results with minimal waste of time, energy, or materials. How that relates to us is our clients' desired haircuts. So when we're efficient, we are going to produce that haircut that they want without wasting time, without wasting energy or materials. Now, let's think about it like this. Let's say you have Barber A and Barber B. Well, Barber A takes 60 minutes and they provide a 7 out of 10 haircut. Right? Like, it's not the worst haircut in the world. It's not the best, but it's a good haircut. It's a passable haircut. It's the desired result. And it takes 60 minutes to provide that haircut. That's Barber A. Now, Barber B takes half the time. He takes 30 minutes to provide that same quality of haircut. So when all else is equal, and the only real difference that you have is time, who is actually the better barber? What barber is providing more value? Who is saving their clients time in the chair? And who can actually build a bigger clientele because they can cut more people per day and actually have that clientele in the first place? And it ends up being Barber B. Barber B provides more value by saving their clients the one thing that they can't get back, which is time. Now remember, we're providing that same desired haircut. It's not that if you're trying to get faster at cutting hair, but the quality of the haircut is going down, that isn't efficiency, that is rushing. We don't want to rush our clients, but we want to be efficient with our service so we can still get them that haircut that they want, but just save time, which is a value to them and a value to you and actually able to grow your business. Because when you can do this and when you can be more efficient, guys, you're able to make more money behind the chair. You're able to build a bigger and more stable clientele because you can fit in more people every single day. And if you end up losing clients that, maybe move away, you raise your prices, whatever it is, your clientele is going to be a lot more stable. For example, if you're only cutting 10 people a day and you miss out on 1 or 2 people, that's 10 to 20% of your day gone, versus if you're cutting more people, you're not going to feel it as much. And Barber B, their business is going to grow faster. They can get more reviews, more testimonials, more word of mouth. They can get more content. They can just push their business so much more simply because they're doing more in the same time as another barber. Why? Because they're being efficient and they're not wasting the time to begin with. So let's actually do the math. Let's actually understand this from a business perspective. Let's say you're in the barbershop cutting hair for 10 hours a day. That's 600 minutes that you're inside of the barbershop. And let's say you do 60-minute appointments, right? An hour a cut. You can do about 10 cuts a day. Now, let's say you average a $35 ticket. That means maybe you charge $25 or $30, people give you a $5 or $10 tip. That's like your average ticket. And let's say you cut 10 clients a day for 5 days in a week. That means you're gonna cut 50 clients at a $35 average ticket, and you're gonna make $1,700 that week. What if you just became more efficient and you were able to chop your haircut time down and still provide a great quality service? That same 10 hours would still be 600 minutes in the barbershop. So let's say you did a 30-minute haircut and a 45-minute haircut and beard. You would be doing about 16 haircuts a day versus 10. You're gonna do an extra 30 haircuts every single week just by being more efficient. That same $35 average ticket, multiply by that 30 extra haircuts that you're doing because you learned how to be efficient in this course. Well, now every single week, you just gave yourself a $1,000 raise, working the same hours, working the same amount of days, charging the same prices, but you just learned how to not waste time. If you worked 50 weeks that year and you made an extra $1,000 every single week, you would make an extra $50,000 that year. And that's assuming that you take a 2-week vacation. So you guys just learned how to actually go ahead and make $50,000 extra a year by changing nothing else, but just by learning what we're teaching you, which is being efficient. And all you essentially did is you just stopped wasting time. How was I able to find out these numbers anyways? Like an average ticket, or how many clients I'm cutting every single week, how many new clients I'm getting, how many returning clients I'm getting, how many clients I'm losing. I knew that because of the tracking sheet, the Six-Figure Barber tracking sheet. It's your free gift for being in this community in the first place. And guys, we give this to you as a resource because when you can see these numbers and you can see your business from this view, it allows you to say, wow, like I'm actually making more money from learning how to be efficient in the first place. So if you guys haven't visited this course, go ahead and visit this course, check out the training and get the tracking sheet and start using it in your business. Simply something like this allows you to grow and make that $100,000 a year that we want you to make in the first place. That's why we're giving you guys these tools and these resources and this education and training. Now, Tito's gonna go ahead and Tito's gonna teach you guys how to be more efficient, how to not waste time, and how to still provide a quality haircut, a quality service, but just by saving that time, by not wasting it. Now, guys, you just learned how being efficient can give you an extra $50,000 raise. So guys, if you're loving this stuff, let us know. Drop a school post with anything that you learned from this course. I can't wait to see all you guys' testimonials. I can't wait to see your results in your tracking sheet showing what being efficient is really doing for your business. All right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Check out the course and let us know how you guys like the course, all right? That was definitely one take, Drake. Oh, 8 minutes.